हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल वेब मेंटर मैजिक। इस वीडियो में मैं CS301 डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स फाइनल टर्म की प्रिपरेशन के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs शेयर करूंगा जो आपके पेपर को सॉल्व करने में मददगार होंगे। साथ ही मैं कुछ यूज़फुल टिप्स भी दूंगा जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और बेहतर बनाएंगे। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले ज़रूर इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें ताकि आपको ऐसी हेल्पफुल वीडियोस रेगुलरली मिलती रहें। चलें, बिना टाइम ज़ाया किए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1। If there are 100 elements in a heap and 100 delete min operations are performed, we'll get list options. A. Sorted B, unsorted C, nonlinear D. None correct answer. A. Sorted. Question 2. Sorting procedure normally takes time. Options: A. N log n. B. 2nc. NNN. D. N. Correct answer: A. N log n. Question 3. The expression heap is if the height of a perfect binary tree is 4, what will be the total number of nodes in it? Options: A. 15b, 16c, 31d, 32. Correct answer: A. 15.5. A binary relation. R over S is called an equivalence relation if it has the following property. S question. 6. If a tree has 20 edges, links, then the total number of nodes in the tree will be. Options: A. 19, B. 20c, 21d. Cannot be determined. Correct answer: A. 19. Question 7. For a perfect binary tree of height 4, what will be the sum of the highest of node? Options: A. 31b, 30c, 27d, 26. Correct answer: A. 31. 8. If Ahmed is cousin of Ali and Ali is cousin of Assad, then Ahmed is also cousin of Assad. This statement has the following property. Options: A. Reflexivity, B. Symmetry, C. Transitivity, D. All of the above. Correct answer: C. Transitivity. Question 9. Which property of equivalence relation is satisfied if we say Ahmad is cousin of Ali and Ali is also cousin of Ahmed? Options: A. Reflexivity, B. Symmetry, C. Transitivity, D. All of the given. Correct answer: B. Symmetry. Question 10. Which one of the following is not the property of equivalence relation? Options: A. Reflexive, B. Symmetric, C. Transitive, D. Associative. Correct answer: D. Associative. 21. The expression if heap is full. Check. Options: Q heap is empty, R heap is full, S heap is not empty, T heap is not full. Answer: T heap is not full. 22. Given the values are the array representation of heap 12, 23, 26, 31, 34, 44, 56, 64, 78, 100. If we perform 4 delete min operations, the last element deleted is. Options: A. 31, B. 34 degrees Celsius, 44 degrees 56. Answer: B. 34. 23. Which of the following heap method increases the value of the key at position P by the amount delta? Options: E. Increase key P delta, F. Decrease key P delta, G. Percolate down P delta, H. Remove P delta. Answer: E. Increase key P delta. और आज के दौर में सिर्फ तलीम हासिल करना काफ़ी नहीं है, बल्कि स्किल्स सीखना भी उतना ही ज़रूरी है। तलीम हमें सोचने और समझने की सलाहियत देती है, जबकि स्किल्स हमें प्रैक्टिकल ज़िंदगी के मसाइल हल करने और अपने मकासद हासिल करने का तरीका सिखाती हैं। अगर आप अपने करियर को नए होराइजन्स तक ले जाना चाहते हैं, तो इस फैसले को आज ही अपनाएं। 40 प्लस प्रीमियम कोर्सेज इन वन पैकेज। क्रिप्टो मास्टरी बाय वकर जाका, SEO by Tanveer Nandla, Amazon VA and Dropshipping by Shahid Anwar, Graphic Designing 300 gigabytes plus resources, Ethical Hacking and Mobile Hacking, Web Development HTML, CSS, JS, Python, and more, Freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork, Animation, Game and App Development, forex trading, blogging and digital marketing, और बहुत कुछ. Original price $300 plus offer. Price सिर्फ 499 रुपीस. स्किल सीखो और पैसे कमाओ. अभी रब्ता करें. 03044752611624. Which property of equivalence relation is satisfied if we say Ahmad R is related to Ahmad? Options: I. Reflexivity. Dot J symmetry. K. Transitivity. L. All of above. Answer: I. Reflexivity. 25. The total number of nodes on the fifth level of a perfect binary tree are: options: M16 and 15 o'clock 31 point P 32. Answer: P 32. 26. Which property of equivalence relation is satisfied if we say Ahmad is cousin of Ali and Ali is also cousin of Ahmad? Options: a reflexivity, P symmetry, circa transitivity. Dot all of the above. Answer: P symmetry. 27. If a tree has 50 nodes, then the total edges links in the tree will be: options: A 55 degrees, B 51C, 50 degrees, 49. Answer: D 49. 28. If the height of a perfect binary tree is 4, what will be the total number of nodes in it? Options: a 15B 16C, 31 degrees, 32. Answer: C 31. 29. Suppose there is a set of fruits and a set of vegetables. Both sets are sets. Options: a disjoint B subset, circa whole. Dot T. Equal answer: A disjoint. 30. A binary relation R over S is called an equivalence relation if it has the following property. Options: A. Reflexivity, B symmetry, circa transitivity. Dot all of above. Answer: D all of above. 31. Heap can be used to implement. Options: A. Stack bullet P linked list. C. Q. Dot priority queue. Answer: D priority queue. 32. If a tree has 20 edges links, then the total number of nodes in the tree will be: options: A. 19 by 20 Celsius, 21 degrees. Can't be determined. Answer: A. 19. 33. If there are 100 elements in an equivalence class, then we will have sets initially. Options: a 50B 100 Celsius, Iram Pulli data 80. Answer: B 100. 34. Given the values are the array representation of heap: 12, 23, 26, 31, 34, 44, 56, 64, 78, 100. What is the fifth smallest element in the given heap? Options: a 31B 34 degrees Celsius, 44 degrees, 57. Answer: B 34. 35. A solution is said to be efficient if it solves the problem within its resource constraints, i.e., hardware and time. Options: true, false answer, true. 36. Which one of the following is known as last in, first out, or LIFO data structure? Options: linked list, stack, queue, tree. Answer: stack. 37. What will be the postfix expression of the following infix expression? Infix expression: A plus CD options. Apple special. ABC D. ABC plus special. ABCD plus special. Answer: abiscuffed special. 38. For a compiler, a postfix expression is easier to evaluate than infix expression Options: true, false answer, true. 39. Consider the following pseudocode. What is written to the screen for the input apples? Options: Selpa, Selpa, apples, apples. Answer: Selpa. 40. A binary tree of n nodes has options: log 10 n levels, log 2 n levels, n 2 levels, nx2 levels. Answer: log 2 n levels.